One of the most important decisions when selecting a carbide burr is choosing between a double cut and a single cut design. While both types are capable of removing material quickly and efficiently, they are engineered differently and produce noticeably different cutting characteristics. Understanding the strengths and limitations of each style can help you choose the right burr for your specific application, improve cutting performance, and achieve better surface finishes. Single-cut carbide burrs feature one set of spiral cutting flutes that run across the head of the burr. These flutes create long, continuous chips as material is removed from the workpiece. Because there are fewer cutting edges engaging the material at any given moment, single-cut burrs tend to remove material aggressively and quickly. They are often chosen when maximum stock removal is the primary goal and a smoother finish is not necessarily required. Double-cut carbide burrs contain two intersecting sets of cutting flutes that form a crisscross pattern across the cutting surface. This additional set of cutting edges breaks chips into much smaller pieces during the cutting process. The result is a burr that generally cuts more smoothly, produces less vibration, offers better operator control, and leaves a finer finish on the workpiece. For many metalworking applications, double-cut burrs are considered the most versatile and widely used option. One of the biggest differences between the two styles is chip formation. Single-cut burrs create larger chips that are removed rapidly from the cutting area. While this can increase material removal rates, it may also make the tool feel more aggressive during operation. Double-cut burrs create much smaller chips, which often results in smoother cutting action and reduced chatter. The smaller chips are generally easier to manage and can contribute to improved surface quality. In steel and stainless steel applications, double-cut carbide burrs are usually the preferred choice. The additional cutting edges provide better control while reducing the amount of force transferred to the operator. Welders, fabricators, and machinists frequently use double-cut burrs for weld blending, deburring, edge preparation, surface finishing, and contouring work. The smoother cutting action helps prevent gouging and allows for more precise material removal. Single-cut burrs are commonly used on cast iron, copper, brass, aluminum, and other non-ferrous materials. Their aggressive cutting action can remove large amounts of material quickly, making them useful for rough shaping and heavy stock removal. In certain applications involving softer metals, the larger flute design can also help reduce chip packing and improve cutting efficiency. Surface finish is another area where the two burr styles differ significantly. Double-cut burrs generally leave a finer and smoother finish because the intersecting flutes create smaller cutting marks. Single-cut burrs often leave a rougher surface that may require additional finishing if appearance is important. For jobs where the final surface quality matters, double-cut burrs are often the better choice. Operator comfort can also influence burr selection. Double-cut burrs typically generate less vibration and require less physical effort to control during extended use. This can reduce operator fatigue and make precision work easier. Single-cut burrs, while highly effective for rapid material removal, can feel more aggressive and may require a firmer grip to maintain accuracy. Heat generation is another consideration. Because double-cut burrs divide material into smaller chips, they can sometimes distribute cutting forces more evenly and reduce localized heat buildup. Proper speed selection, however, remains critical regardless of which burr style is being used. Running a burr at the correct RPM for the material helps maximize performance and extend tool life. For most general-purpose metalworking tasks, double-cut carbide burrs are the preferred option because they provide an excellent balance of cutting speed, control, finish quality, and versatility. They perform exceptionally well on steel, stainless steel, and welded assemblies while offering smoother operation and greater precision. Single-cut carbide burrs remain valuable tools for specific applications that require rapid material removal or involve softer, non-ferrous materials. Their aggressive cutting action makes them effective for rough shaping, heavy grinding, and situations where maximum stock removal is more important than achieving a refined finish. Ultimately, neither style is universally better than the other. Double-cut burrs excel in control, finish quality, and versatility, while single-cut burrs shine when aggressive cutting and rapid material removal are required. Many experienced fabricators and machinists keep both types in their tool collection, so they can choose the most effective cutting pattern for each job.